Welcome, Mama. Today we're talking about breastfeeding basics. Breastfeeding is a natural process, but it's also a learned skill for both you and your baby. In the first few days after birth, your body produces colostrum. This thick, yellow milk is packed with antibodies that help protect your baby from infections. As your milk transitions around day 3 to 5, your breasts may feel fuller. This is completely normal. Feed your baby on demand. Whenever they show hunger cues like rooting, sucking on hands, or lip smacking, a deep latch is key. Make sure your baby's mouth covers not just the nipple, but a large part of the areola. This helps prevent pain and ensures effective milk removal. Remember, frequent feeding builds supply. The more milk removed, the more your body makes. Breastfeeding is a journey. Be patient with yourself and seek support when needed.